A scored quiz is one where the outcome is measured in a range of points, like a trivia quiz or a pass-fail quiz. So here's how to make one. In the dashboard, click on New Quiz and enter your quiz name first. Then choose Scored from the drop-down menu. You cannot change this afterwards, so make sure you choose correctly. If you want to customize one of our pre-written quizzes, click Select next to the one you want, or just click Create from scratch. Next, choose a theme for your quiz. Use the preview button over the theme card to see how it looks. And when you found one you like, just click Select. When a theme is selected, it will be indicated below the theme card. Now your quiz is created and you can start editing. Don't forget to click Save often and click Preview to see how your quiz will look. Choose from the options in the left-hand menu to set up your quiz. Outcomes is where you configure each outcome of your quiz based on point ranges. Click to add a new outcome or click the outcome to edit. Here you can set the score interval for this outcome. This is the number of points respondents need to score to generate that outcome. Next, you can choose whether your outcome is a text builder or redirect URL. Text Builder lets you type in your own outcome, and Redirect URL lets you take your respondents to another page when they generate the outcome. Next, you can set the title and description of the outcome and enable social sharing if you want to let your respondents share their results to Facebook. You can also display scores using shortcodes. Score in double square brackets will display the respondent's score, and max score in double square brackets will display the maximum score they could have gotten. Next, you can add questions by clicking on Questions in the left-hand menu. Simply click Add Question. Then add the query text and answers to choose from. Answers can be text-based or images. After you've entered all your questions, you can go back and add logic to segment respondents and customize their journey through the quiz. Just click on any question and choose the question you want your respondents to see next by choosing it from the Next drop-down. Using logic, you can skip questions according to previous answers and increase the relevancy of your quiz.